Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is having a beautiful and a blessed day. So today I want to show you how to get an underarm wax done in under 5 minutes. So as always, you want to start by cleaning the skin off. So I'm going in with my Gigi Pre-Epilation Cleanser. So this basically just removes any dirt or any oil from the skin. So now you see me removing the cleanser because if the skin is too wet, then the wax won't stick. So after you dry that cleanser, go ahead and add some powder. So this is a talc-free baby powder that I like to use just because once you put that powder down, the wax just sticks to the hair a lot better once you use that powder. So that's why I do this step. And as you can see, this service is really quick, really easy, really simple, and it really doesn't hurt that much, which is why you can see my client. She's basically laughing the whole time, y'all. So this is a really good service that's easy to do and doesn't hurt that much. I'm going to be doing the paintbrush method. That's basically when you take your stick and you go in a fine paintbrush motion. This just helps secure the hairs better to the wax and really push that wax down into the hairs, which makes it a lot easier to come off. And everything you see me doing to one side, I'm of course going to be doing to the other. So I'm paintbrushing, and I'm creating my loop. Make sure that you create that loop nice and well, just so that it's easier for that wax to come off when it's time to remove. Check to see if the wax is dry, hold taut, remove, and apply pressure. So our hairs grow in so many different directions, guys, okay? So this is why you see me doing that paintbrush method and doing it in the opposite way, just so that I can make sure that I'm getting every single hair off. Check to see if the wax is dry, hold taut, remove, and apply pressure. So if at any point there is still wax on your client, go ahead and take the wax, take the sticky side, the shiny side, and just place it on your client's skin, and that'll take it right off. So again, you just see me applying the wax to the opposite side. I'm so sorry if you guys couldn't see. I'm sorry, I didn't realize my arm was in the way, but hopefully you were able to see it on the other side. But yeah, this is all you do. Apply it the opposite way and then create that loop, and we're going to take it off soon. I went ahead and grabbed my tweezer because some people have ingrown hairs, but she really didn't have any, so I honestly was able to skip this step. But if you see that somebody has ingrowns, just take your tweezer and go ahead and pluck it out really quick. So you just see me applying some Calendula Oil just to make sure that this wax is completely off. I really don't like to send my clients home with wax on their skin, so get some type of oil and it'll remove it right off. The very last thing I'm adding is some aloe vera gel, just because aloe is really good for inflammation right after a wax, also any bumps. So aloe has a lot of great benefits. But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we're almost at 400 subscribers.